Hi, my name is Rafael Kristensen for 7H. Here I will give you why to make hot water. The tools is panci, and water, and stove. The method: pour water according to your waist into the pot. Okay. Step 1. Place the pot of the stove. Okay. Step 3. Turn off the fire, wait until it pours.